There are 2 German Shepherds that live in this backyard. They're in the house right now. But the fence was falling down, and the client was scared that they were going to jump over it. Mary had a vinyl fence installed a few weeks ago, but the contractors didn't do such a good job. The last day they were rushing at the end, she said. The story goes about 3 days after they got done, the fence started falling down. Then she went to call them, and they was not hitting her back. So she hit me up and said, hey, help me out. And I said, okay, I got you.
So here's what we got now.
Then I had to drill these holes. It was no joke. I usually drill my post holes like 24 inches deep and 12 to 15 inches wide. And after my investigation, I found out the fence fell because they bolted it to the concrete and didn't even drill holes. And man, the hardest part of this whole thing was getting the old concrete out of the post. So I banged on them. I slammed them up against the ground. And then I realized, if I cut a line up on one side of the back corner, then it'll loosen it up and I can just let it come out easier. And easier, I mean, it wasn't a walk in the park, ouch. But, yeah, I mean, do we ever fail? No.
Open sesame.
I tell you, nothing in life is a free ride. Concrete was easy. Just throw a little water in it. You know, it's like a recipe. Maybe throw a little bit of this pancake mix in. Oh yeah, that quick pancake mix, that's no problem. Had to stir it up. I realized I should have wear gloves just to be a little more sanitary. And it always feels really good playing in cement. It feels like, let's just say they had a good exfoliation. And there was absolutely no reason for me to go behind this wall. I didn't even need to cut the board. I'm being stupid right here. This doesn't make any sense. I can't even fit through the hole. But I mean, like, it felt fun. Like, I had a good time, you know.
Almost good, right? Almost had it. I didn't want to cut. Many men always want to cut.
Yeah. So after I realized I didn't need to cut the board, and I'm glad I realized that, you know, just had to snug it in. You know, looks like it wasn't no big deal. I made it still.
One more.
I'm serious, like I didn't even feel it. Nah, that joint hurt like a mug.
He's the last one to run tonight.
So yeah, right now I'm about tired.
Look at him go. Alright, I wonder if this is gonna measure up.
Can't even walk, my legs are dead.
Measure up to the height. Can you live up to your height?
Like, man, I gotta get this last board in.
Easy does it, see.
I ain't gonna hurt myself again.
Oh my God.
Not so bad. And you know what?
Absolutely.
It's stronger
beautiful.
now. We haven't even put the concrete in the bottom. Y'all gotta follow the recipe in life if you want success. It's supposed to be soupy, like pancake syrup. Well, you know, a little patience and blunt force trauma.
I absolutely love it.
Mama said put the caps on. Boom. Done.
I'm like, I'm about to get paid, yo. This is it.
There it is. Nothing less than a day and a half, nothing more. Look at that, ain't that pretty? I'm so proud of we. This stuff is meant to move a little, but the give is in the pipe. See this pipe right here, strong pipe? You see it give? It gives. This gives too. I didn't do that one, but this, look at that. Look at that. That ain't going nowhere. So you can see it. Look, I hit it. Boom, that ain't going nowhere. Look, you see this? That ain't going nowhere. You see that? You see that? That ain't going nowhere. That's a good job, I tell you that. So if you want a vinyl fence, don't call me. Call me after you get the vinyl fence and the guy messes it up. That's not my forte. My forte is just being great.
It's a movie. Keep the whole squad tight, family. We ain't losing. Never, never, never. Yo, real business. All gas business. Keep the circle business. Knock it out the park business. Yeah, we gone, 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 gone.